In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make business card in Canva using laptop. Open your web browser and head to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your work saves as you go. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business cards. This brings up a gallery of ready-made designs so you don't have to start from scratch. Switch to the templates view to browse designs created for business cards. Scroll through and pick a template that matches the look you're going for. If you want to keep everything free, choose a design without the small crown icon. That crown marks pro content. Once you've found a style you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now we'll personalize it. Click the name text box and type your full name. If the text feels too big or small, use the size controls at the top to adjust it and align it to suit the layout. Next, update your position or job title so people instantly know what you do. Let's swap in your logo. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files and choose your logo from your computer. After it finishes uploading, drag it onto the placeholder in the design to replace the default logo. Use the corner handles to resize and position it so it looks balanced. Update your company or business name so it matches your brand identity. Then revise the contact details. Click each field, email, phone number, location, and website, and type your own information. Keep each line concise and make sure the text is easy to read. If a detail isn't relevant for your card, keep the layout clean by focusing only on what matters. Most templates include a backside. Select the second page or card back in the editor and update it to replace the logo again if needed and change the business name to match the front for a consistent look. To adjust the overall color, click an empty area on the design or the background itself. Choose the color tile at the top and scroll the palette to find a shade that fits your brand. Aim for strong contrast between background and text so your details stay legible. You can also refine the typography. Click any text box, open the font menu at the top, and scroll through to select a font you like. Pick styles that complement each other and limit the number of fonts to keep the design professional. And that's it. Your business card is now customized and ready for use.